School Football Media Day was this week at Ladd-Peebles Stadium. 21 schools in Mobile discussed preseason workouts and what the season's going to be like come kickoff time. Today's coverage continues with 3 schools from 5A Region 3, Citronelle, Satsuma, and Saraland. 6 schools in Mobile County will have new coaches this coming season. One of them, Citronelle. Former Spanish Fort coach Barry Gibson will be a Wildcat this fall.
Let me just start off by saying I'm glad to be back in this area. As you know, I was here 5 years ago, and you know, it's just great to be back. What people can expect, you know, I'm a little bit old school coach, so we're going to try to be very disciplined. We're going to try to get after people, but do things the right way.
Quarterback Tristan Patrick says the team is adapting well to the new coach.
Last year, I was just now getting to know Coach Garner good, and with Coach Gibson, I got to know him a lot faster than I did with Coach Garner. It's so much easier to talk to him, and so I think that plays a big part of it.
Gibson said Citronelle is going to be more hard-nosed and aggressive than ever before. Another school with a new man in charge is Satsuma. Coach Scott Riles taking over the reins there. He said he quickly implemented his new off-season plan.
Okay, well, when I got there, 1st of February, we started the 6 a.m. program, and most all the kids bought in pretty good and came and showed up and worked hard. We did that about 24 days, about 4 days a week for 6 weeks, and then we, of course, had an outstanding spring. Our spring's been good, helped propel us over into the summer. Our summer workouts have been attended great.
It's a lot different from last year. You know, he's come in, put us to work. Last year we got a late start. We didn't start till later July of last year. He come in February, got us working out, got us going.
Riles said he wants to build something special at Satsuma. And over to Saraland, head coach Jeff Kelly said the team returns 9 starters on offense and 10 on defense. Therefore, it's time to take the program to the next level.
Talk about it every day. We're excited to get going. I feel real good in terms of where we are right now at this moment. You know, in the 3 years that we've been here at Saraland, you know, I don't think there's any doubt this is the best group that we've ever had in terms of settling out and working hard. You know, the entire off season, spring training was extremely productive. We got a ton of things done there.
Quarterback Jay Ward and the Spartans have their sights set on going deeper into the playoffs this fall.
The goal is, I think we've gotten better as a team since we've grown up together playing for 3 years now as a starter. And it's definitely a goal to get past the first round this year and get a deep push in the playoffs.
And coming up at 9, tune in for continuing coverage of High School Football Media Day with UMS Wright, Cottage Hill, St. Luke's, and Mobile Christian. And of course, all the high school football talk, don't forget about First and